Good morning. I recorded this with my mic turned off, so bear with me as I do a voiceover from this. Just doing a recap from Friday's trading session on March 20th. Had my Asia, London, and pre-New York session marked out here. Asia high, London high, and London low. Our Asia low had already been taken out during London session, so I didn't mark that out. And then I have this last leg from London marked out in a premium and discount zone. And since I have a bearish bias for my higher time frame, I start out on the daily chart, 4-hour chart to get my bias, and then coming into the session, I'll come down to the 1-minute chart. And since I'm bearish, I'm typically looking for price to retrace into that premium zone and give me a reason to get into a short position. Clearly you can see here we have this building up as we come into New York and we enter into this 15-minute fair value gap here. Very clear displacement. Once we hit that gap, we reject off of it. We don't even make it up to the 50% mark, and then we make a lower high and we have a displacement downward, creating a nice imbalance as we enter the New York session. A lot of entry opportunities right there coming into the gap, 25%, 50% if you're loading up on contracts. If for some reason you didn't get into a position there, there's another opportunity as we make another move down, creating a new imbalance and price retracing back up into that fair value gap. Another short opportunity there. Price then moves down and takes out that London low. Unfortunately, I was trading this back up into the opening range gap on the regular trading hours. You see Thursday's close and Friday's open there. Majority of the time price will retrace back up to the 50% mark of the opening range gap, so that's what I was aiming for coming into the session. Unfortunately, it's important to make sure that price action is aligning with your bias. Sticking with my initial bearish bias would have been a much better move for the day, but it's I guess that's a learning opportunity for me. But we ended up taking out that London low, like I said. Then I had this previous swing point marked out, and our higher time frame, like, is a one day wick that I had marked out here, and we ended up moving down, taking out all three of those levels, and unfortunately I missed all of those. But I did make a couple scalps during the day to recoup my losses, and overall we ended the week green, so we'll do it again next week.